In the quiet city of Matsuyama, Japan, lies a home that feels less like a building and more like a living poem. Designed by Takashi Okuno Associates, this 194-square-meter residence invites nature inside through a serene inner garden. Here, the soft murmur of flowing water becomes part of everyday life, blurring the line between home and landscape, between structure and soul. The design centers around a private garden, delicately enclosed yet deeply connected to every room. This courtyard is not merely decorative, it's the emotional heart of the house. As light filters through the lattice screens and dances on wooden floors, it creates an atmosphere that changes with each passing hour, reminding its occupants of time's gentle rhythm. This interplay between openness and concealment captures a quintessentially Japanese sensibility, transparency without exposure. The garden becomes a living canvas that transforms with the seasons, cherry blossoms in spring, lush greens in summer, and golden leaves in autumn, each reflected softly within the home's minimalist interiors. Architect Takashi Okuno paid special attention to the framing of views. The placement and height of openings are carefully calculated so that not everything is revealed at once. The result is a subtle choreography of sight and shadow, where layers of lattice and shoji screens invite curiosity, encouraging the imagination to complete what the eyes cannot fully see. House in Matsuyama is more than a work of architecture, it's a meditation on coexistence, between nature and human life, between the seen and the unseen. In every corner, it whispers a reminder: tranquility is not something you build, but something you invite to flow through your home.